Welcome back. This is how to make a carousel ad in Meta. Let's jump into Meta and get creative. We are here in our Meta ad account. We're going to click Create in the top left. Once we've selected the campaign and ad set we want to build this carousel ad in. So let's open up our campaign, then open up the ad set, and then click Create. Then we're going to name this ad. We're going to name it Carousel Ad for now, so that we know what it is. And I recommend adding other attributes of this ad so you can better identify it. Under identity, we're going to double check our identity again and make sure that it's our brand. Then under branding, we can choose optionally to add branding. We're going to select create ad from this dropdown, or just leave it alone. Then under format, we're going to select carousel format. Then under website, we're going to make sure that this is our accurate URL, right? We could copy and paste it from our browser, or we could just make sure that it is the right one. And then we're going to scroll down to our carousel cards. Under carousel cards, we're going to add cards. We can choose to add cards from images, add video cards, or add cards from previous ads. I'm going to add image cards for now. I'm going to select 10 image cards from our account images. Nice. Then we're going to click Continue and add in some headlines. After we add in our headline, we can actually copy and paste this into every single carousel card, or add separate headlines for each carousel card. So what should we put for this headline? Let's put save 20% with code first20. And then in the description, we could add the discount code. So I'm going to click apply to all cards to apply this to every single card. However, you could customize it based on which products you're showing in each card. And I'm also going to apply the description to every card so that everyone has the discount code on every single card that they swipe through. Awesome. I'm going to make sure that this website URL is accurate. And here I can actually customize depending on each carousel card with different product pages if I like. Or I can send people to the same landing page, whether that's the home page or it is a different page on the website. Back into Meta here, we're going to scroll down to primary text. We're going to add in our ad copy, right? So I'm actually going to add in the exact same thing, save 20% with code first20. And if this seems uninspired to you, I definitely recommend using a tool like Foreplay to do research on what your competitors and your fast-growing market leaders are doing with their ad copy. You can see any ad, any advertiser, and exactly what copy they're running in their longest running ads. The ads that they kept turned on the longest, finding new customers for them. Back into Facebook ads here, we're going to add a little emoji. I feel like it'd be fun, right? So let's add in the sparkle emoji here. Perfect. We can also add in any AI-generated text generation here if we'd like, and we can change our CTA from Learn More to Shop Now. This will change on every single card, and unfortunately, there isn't a way to change this depending on the card. It would be quite nice to go back and forth between something like Shop Now and Get Offer, because you'd be moving between these two different CTAs and adding a little bit of variation in there, right? Redeeming an offer, but also shopping. You're telling people to do two things that are very, very closely linked. Unfortunately, this isn't available just yet, but maybe in the future it will be. Back into Meta here, under our highlight our promotions, we're going to make sure this is checked, automatically source the codes from our website, and check email sign-up offers. We just want to double check that the email sign-up offer aligns with the email sign-up offer on our website. And it also works with our margins, right? Can you afford to give 10, 15, 20% off first orders? You probably should be able to, but if you can't, definitely don't select this and make sure that you have an email sign-up offer that makes sense for your business. You might also decide to have a different email sign-up offer entirely, like a free gift offer. The word free is sensational in marketing, and it may actually end up being less of a hard cost than something like a 10, 15, or 20% off offer. A free gift may cost you pennies compared to, or cents, right? Compared to the cost of giving 10 to 20% off. Plus, you get the added benefit of making the package that arrives even more exciting because there's more product in there. Bonus points if that product is consumable or replenishable, because if they run out of it, they're going to have to buy more to continue to enjoy it. Back into Meta here, under tracking, we could turn on offline events and add in URL parameters if we do any tracking in third-party tools like Triplewell or Google Analytics. Awesome. So that is how to make a carousel ad in your Facebook ad account. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much.